Firemaple have sent me on what you'd call a luxury cook system, but it's a 2-in-1 system. So it's an infrared, wind-resistant cook set, but it's also a heater. I will be using this in specific situations. It's well worth having a look. Okay, let's go through it. So it comes in a very, very nice hard case. And this is it. Okay, so let's look at the features. So it's made from a very good stainless steel. This is the gas regulator on the side, which comes in a separate hose. So this is the cage on top where you rest your pot. So that can come off and it fits into the 4 holes on the side. So underneath, what you have a thread here that you're able to use if you wanted to mount this on like a stand, just to use this as a heater and not a cooking system. When you pull this out, this acts as a handle, and it also acts as a tilt if you want the actual tilt the system to get some heat out of it. So you have 2 stands here, which creates a nice sturdy structure. But the reason this is here, you could actually angle this to get the most heat out of it. Put the cage back on. Let's light her up and let's see what she can do. What I'm going to use is my Firemaple pot with the heat exchange in the bottom. And I can tell you there is incredible heat out of that. So it acts as a heater as well as a cook system. Okay, so let's get boiling. This Firemaple pot has 1 litre of cold stream water in it, and let's time it. Okay, that's 3.5 minutes. You can see how efficient that unit is. It burns water really fast. It does have the help of the Firemaple with the heat exchange in the bottom as well. That's always a plus. So let's talk about some pros and cons. Okay, some pros: it's a very good system. It heats up water really fast. It is wind resistant. The build quality is very, very good with the stainless steel and the brass and the other materials that they used. I like the hose system they have, and the actual regulator that they have is a good quality regulator as well. So you can really choose the temperature that you need to cook with or to heat with. I like the fact that it's a heat system as well. The ability to heat your hands up before you go to bed is always a plus. So the cons, look, you can say the weight of it is a con, like 818 grams, but you're not buying this for a lightweight system. Like, this is for a very specific place. Like, you're not gonna put this into your lightweight pack at the weight of 818 grams. So you would bring it on like bike packing trips and say car camping or a family holiday, or if you were camping down low on a really frosty, icy camp. Like, the ability to actually use it as a heater as well is very good. But a con would be the weight, but you're not buying it for a lightweight system. Yeah, so that's the only con I have really. The build quality is very, very good. And I do really like the features on it. So I want to thank Firemaple for sending this on to me. Yeah, it's a very interesting unit and something that I've never used before. So that's the Firemaple Sunflower. I'll put all the details in the description. It's worth looking at. It all depends what you want it for, but it's well worth looking at. It is a good unit. Anyway, this is Martin here from Soul Trail. Please hit that like button, and yeah, if you like what you see, come along for the next journey.